Hello everyone, I'm Martin Thibodeau, Regional President for British Columbia here at RBC. On behalf of RBC, we are thrilled to be the presenting sponsor for 2024 Flourish in support of Vancouver Community College. With over 30 years of support for the VCC, we recognize education as the cornerstone of progress amid the rapid advancements in technology. Now, more than ever, it is essential to equip students with the tools and skills needed to flourish. That's why your support to the 2024 Flourish presented by RBC is critical to shaping the future. Together, let's embark on a journey to empower the next generation, enable them to thrive in a world of possibilities. Thank you.